Ready to share your music? Let's break down how to publish a song on Spotify in just a few easy steps. First, choose a digital distributor. This platform will help deliver your song to Spotify. Sign up and set up your account. Fill in the necessary details about your music. Next, upload your song and cover art. Make sure they meet Spotify's requirements. Add metadata, including song title, genre, and credits to help listeners find you. Finally, hit publish and share your song with the world. Get ready for the feedback. Promote your song on social media. Use effective strategies to gain more listeners. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and create conversations around your music. Track your song's performance using Spotify for Artists. Understand your audience better. Keep creating. Use feedback to improve and grow as an artist. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent and keep pushing your music. And that's it. You're now ready to shine on Spotify. Happy music making!